Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. Do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video, okay? All right, real quick, just want to show you guys, I received another package in the mail from Mr. Clarence. I've already scratched out his information because I don't want it revealed, but he is out of Maryland, okay? Never spoke to Mr. Clarence, but I received this in the mail and I picked it up. As you can see, the seal is not even broken, okay? And it shows 1/13, okay? The delivery date, okay? So another package. So this direct mail thing works, guys, okay? Trust me when I tell you, okay? So I'm going to put the link below, okay? For this, I know what it's for only because my sponsor has reached out and said that she's received a payment. That's how I know it's Impact Mailing Club, because she received a payment, okay? So every time I make money, she makes money. Okay, and she gave me the name, so I'm like, yeah, I received a package too. Okay, so I already know what it is. I mean, what company it's for. Okay, so this definitely works. I'm gonna put the link below for Impact Mailing Club, and as you can see, I've got my Tycoon postcards right here as well. Go ahead and check that out as well if you're interested in mailing postcards and making $300 per sale. Okay, so this thing definitely works. All right, guys, until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, I look forward to working with you. And, okay, and I will match, okay, the leads. Whatever level you join with Impact Mailing Club, I'm going to match those leads. So if you join at the Emerald level and they send you 100 leads, I'm going to send you 100 leads, okay? All right, guys, so until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Oh, before I let you go, I thought this was interesting. This is a new letter that people are sending out now. Okay, and it has this on it, and it talks about retirement. I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, check it out right here. It is talking about Social Security. So pretty neat letter. But at any rate, postcard marketing and mailing letters. Okay, I'm gonna put the link below for this. It definitely works. Get started if you're looking for a simple home-based business where you don't have to chase down friends and family or chase people in general. Just mail. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.